Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to save mobile data on YouTube. If you watch YouTube while you're away from Wi-Fi, turning on YouTube's data saving option can help you avoid burning through your mobile data, and here's how to enable it on your phone. First thing first, start by launching the YouTube app on your phone. At the top right, tap your profile picture to open your account menu. Now you'll be directed to your account page. Just scroll to the bottom and tap Settings. Now inside Settings menu, tap General to open YouTube's basic app options. In the General section, look for Limit Mobile Data Usage. Turn this option to On, and this setting forces YouTube to play HD videos only when you're on Wi-Fi, which prevents high-quality streams from using up your mobile data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.